what is going on, guys? Welcome to my 1000 subscriber special 2019 gaming setup tour. Many of you guys have been asking me for this video, so let's get it started. First off, we have this white table, which is actually not the table. It is a kitchen countertop, but it's custom made to fit my setup. For the keyboard, I'm using a Razer Blackwidow Chroma, which is really nice. I've been using this keyboard for like 3 years now. Had no problems whatsoever. Even though I've spilled like multiple drinks, it still works fine and I highly recommend it. Next to the keyboard, we have a Razer Firefly Hard Edition mousepad. It is RGB, medium size, perfect for me, like it. Then on top of that, we have the Modulo mouse from Glorious. It's 67 grams, RGB as well, super light and great for building, editing, and aiming in Fortnite. I got super lucky because I bought it 2 hours after it came out and I sold out really fast. If you want to buy it now, you have to wait like a month or two, so make sure to get it before it gets sold out again. In front of the mouse and keyboard, we have a Focusrite Scarlett Solo interface, which is powering the Audio-Technica 2035 microphone. The microphone is really good. You can hear the quality of it right now. The interface, on the other hand, is not the best. Sometimes there's an issue where the voice just gets robotic and it glitches out, and I don't know how to fix it. I tried everything. I tried to download the drivers, and it still doesn't work. I've seen a lot of people have the same issue, so I would not recommend this interface. For the headphones, we have the AKG K550s MK2 studio headphones. They're a bit on the pricey side, but the sound quality is decent. I use it for gaming and editing, and it gets the job done. I'm rocking that dual monitor setup. First one is a 27-inch PG-279Q monitor from Asus. Amazing monitor, 165Hz, 1440p screen with a G-Sync and IPS panel. Next to it, I have my old AOC monitor, which is just a regular 60Hz, 22-inch IPS panel. I mostly use the second one for the chat when I'm streaming or when I'm editing the pictures. Below the monitors, I'm using the Numark N-Wave 580L DJ monitor speakers. They're also RGB, just like 90% of my setup. Amazing sound quality for the price, highly recommended. Next to my setup, to the left, I also have a 43-inch LG Smart TV, which I sometimes use as a third monitor to watch movies on. For the best part, the PC, I have the GTX 1080 graphics card, which is powering everything up. i7 6700K CPU with 16 gigs of DDR4, 3000 MHz RAM, and 650-watt power supply from Corsair. All these components are located in a beautiful and silent wide fractal design R5 case. For the chair, I'm using a DX Racer King Series chair. It is not the best one, not the most comfortable one, but I like it, so it gets the job done as well. Yo, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell for the post notifications. Anyway, I will see you in the next one. Peace.